What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you the power of a Balearic slingshot. This is a braided slingshot, braided seatbelt sling with a whip cracker. This is my ammunition. It's, as you can see, it's fishing weights. And I'm gonna weigh that for y'all. Ooh. 94.3 grams. 94.9. 75.8. I figured this one's about 43. 41.5. 41.5 grams. Or 41.9, my bad. 41.9 grams. As you can tell, the 41 grams, they do cover a lot of distance and they're really fast. But the thing is, you can throw them really hard and you lose a lot of accuracy. But I do have a net to catch them. So let's try the 90 something grams. Ready? All right, this is the biggest one. Fishing weight. Leave the hair on it. Okay, this is neat. Never had this happen. So this is a fishing weight, right? Had hooks on them. I had to cut the hooks off. When it hit directly on the end and actually punctured the sign. Wow, that's crazy. We're gonna check the weight after hitting a target. 95.13-ish, we'll say 2. Okay, now we have 94.3 grams. Mountaintop.